For our next lesson, it's going to be about shadows and fog. Again, these features allow you to enhance your working rendering environment. Your scene can start to come to life. To begin with, let's turn off the profile and display edges. Display. This way will begin to give us a more photographic and painted feel to our scene. Shadows. Let's turn on some shadows. Go up to View, click on Shadows. Alright, let's control how the shadows interact with the model. Go up to Window, click on Shadows, and you should have this dialog box that pops up. Now yours might look a tad bit different, but it is essentially the same. You can turn the shadows on and off with this. You can adjust the time of day. Obviously here we're on the East Coast and we go this way. It's the West Coast as the sun's going down. You can set the date, the month, literally down to the minute. So 3 at 12:44 p.m. Now, what is really else is great about this is that you can adjust how the light affects the object even more. You can adjust how dark the dark is. And in here, right now it's artificial lighting, but right now we can use sun for shading from the edges or on the ground. You can take them on or off. You can take them on or off the faces. So there is the shadow bar. Okay, let's close the shadow settings and open up the fog settings. So let's turn on fog. As you can see, the further away the object is, the more engulfed in the fog that it is. You can, of course, adjust this just like any of the other dialog boxes that come up or will come up. You can adjust how the model interacts with the fog. In this case, the distance here, percent, is how far away it starts, and this is how far away it totally becomes engulfed, or how far away it's not affected by it. So the fog is the color of the background by default. You can control this in this little dialog box right here by changing the color. So that is the fog. Again, these are your adjustment tools to affinity, the very front, and on to the next subject.